Your cat is staring at you with those wide, judging eyes while sitting right next to a fresh mess on the rug. You feel that sudden surge of worry and frustration. You want a quick fix to make their stomach feel better. This is exactly where products like the Meow Pro digestive formula enter the frame. This product is marketed as a total digestive savior for your feline friends. It promises to soothe upset tummies and bring balance to the complex world of the catgut. On paper, the science is actually quite sound. We know that the feline digestive system relies on a delicate balance of bacteria. Veterinarians have used probiotics and prebiotics for years to help with things like stool consistency and nutrient absorption. The concept itself is perfectly legitimate. However, the trouble starts when we look closer at the execution of this specific brand. There is a massive cloud of mystery surrounding what is actually inside that container. When you are dealing with a sensitive animal, you need to know the exact strains of bacteria you are introducing. You need to know the potency and the colony counts. With this product, that information is almost impossible to find. It feels less like a clinical tool and more like a generic blend wrapped in a very pretty marketing package. This lack of transparency is a major red flag. Not all probiotics are the same. Some are hardy and can survive the journey through harsh stomach acid. Others are weak and die before they ever reach the intestines where they are needed. If the bacteria are dead on arrival, you are essentially paying for expensive dust. There is no clear evidence that this specific formula has been through independent clinical testing. That is a huge gap in a market where established veterinary brands provide detailed data sheets for everything they sell. You also have to consider the reality of how cats react to new things. Feline digestive tracts are incredibly finicky. Introducing a new supplement can often cause a temporary flare-up. You might see more gas or even worse bathroom habits during the adjustment phase. It takes time for the body to reset. Even then, the results are usually subtle. This is a support tool, not a miracle cure. It is designed for mild issues like occasional bloating or soft stools. If your cat has a serious condition, this powder is not going to replace a trip to the vet. There is also the huge hurdle of palatability. Every cat owner knows that if a cat does not like the smell of something, it is not going into their mouth. If the taste is off, you will find yourself in a daily battle just to get them to eat. A supplement is only effective if it actually gets consumed. Without clear sourcing or manufacturing standards, we also have to wonder about the long-term stability of the product. Does it stay potent on your shelf for 3 months? We just do not have the data to say yes with any confidence. It does not seem like a total scam because the category itself is real, but it certainly lacks the clinical backing we should expect for our pets. It might be a fine option for minor support if your expectations are realistic. Just do not expect a dramatic transformation. Your cat deserves a product that is transparent about its ingredients and proven by science, not just one that has a catchy name and a smooth website. Always look for the hard facts before you change your pet's routine. Balance is key, and sometimes that balance comes from a better diet and a conversation with a professional rather than a mysterious scoop of powder. Use your best judgment and prioritize clarity over clever advertising.